यस हेलो।
सर ये इमरजेंसी शटडाउन ले रहे हैं आप?
नहीं ये इमरजेंसी नहीं है, ये प्लान शटडाउन है।
प्लान शटडाउन है ना,
प्लान
हाँ तो
शटडाउन
ठीक
है
है
वो।
तो
NETC शटडाउन लेने था।
ओसीसी का नहीं है ये, प्लान शटडाउन का पूरी लिस्ट में है, ओसीसी में कोई नहीं है।
हाँ मतलब OCC है ये। OCC है, प्लान शटडाउन तो मतलब OCC है ना।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर,
हाँ
ठीक है
हाँ।
मैं ठीक। हाँ
This is how you before you actually cut the line, you just contact with people. Like for example, if I'm taking the shutdown of Bangladesh line or Silchar line, then the same thing you do with you call PLCC control room which is in
हेलो
Shillong,
अमन जी।
and this is what you have to first of all do before actually cutting the line. You just
यहाँ से
arrange
ओपन
with
करवा
them.
रहा हूँ
See, right now he is talking to them, and this is how I actually communicate with them before I actually cut the breaker, right? So before I open this is what I have to do.
हेलो
I'm
बाकी
just waiting.
सर।
Yes, he's calling me right now. Hello, yes.
हाँ सर, पिक्चर रेडी है, आप अपने एंड से ब्रेकर ओपन कर दीजिए।
ठीक है, पहले
ब्रेकर
हम
मार
ओपन
दिया
करेगा
सर।
आप क्या?
हाँ कर दीजिए सर, आप
ठीक है
कर
ठीक है,
दीजिए।
अभी हम ओपन करेगा।
हाँ
हाँ सिलचार लाइन ना। ठीक है।
हाँ सर कर
हाँ
दिया।
ओपन ब्रेकर। दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग।
अमन जी
ओपन
प्रणाम।
open the breaker like that. I'll open yeah, just going here, and then I'll open breaker and I'll execute. अभी ओपन किया हाँ? और समय क्या है वो अभी 8:17. All right. At 8:17 of today is 25th of November. 8:17. I'll just note down so that later on. Yes, hello.
सर
Half.
इसका अर्थिंग भी चाहिए होगा।
हाँ आज स्विच भी आज स्विच भी।
ठीक है, वो अभी वहाँ से फील्ड में जाने से मैं आपको कॉल बैक करता हूँ सर।
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ
So whether at switch or most of the time 90% of the time you need to open that switch at switches also, but in case of our switcher line which I'm opening right now, which I've all actually opened, I have already opened. For operating the earth switch I'll have to close 89 because interlock has been provided for both 89C and 89A or B, right? So for operating CE 89CE1 or for that matter CE2 also, both 89C and 89A or B have to be in open condition, then only I'll be able to operate 89CE1. All right, so this is how I should be doing while taking the shutdown. Though I already said that most of the time you have to open that switches also, and then you have to ground the line also, but I'll have to just confirm. Just for confirmation, I'll just call this guy who's taking the shutdown. He's from the Northeastern Transmission Corporation. I'll just be calling this guy. What is his response?
हेलो।
हेलो, ये शटडाउन ये सिलचार क्या ये स्विच भी लगा सकता है क्या? Do we have to close the switch also?
Yeah, you have to close the switch because
Okay.
we will be working in the line.
Oh, you will be working in the line, no? Okay. Then I'll arrange with Silchar then. Okay. Breaker has already been opened, but only a switch is left.
You have to close the switch.
Okay,
We're
okay, fine.
basically carrying out the TLS installation.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Uh,
So I have just called this guy and then I'll confirm whether breaker has. It's already open. That's for sure because intertripping facility is there in case of 220 kV and above, and this is our 400 kV. So obviously, it should have been done by now. Right from the time I open the breaker, there will be intertripping of breaker that side also. वो ब्रेकर हो गया ना?
क्या सर?
वो ब्रेकर तो ओपन हो गया ना ये सिलचार?
हाँ
ठीक है।
हो गया है।
वो बोला ये आर स्विच भी लगा है।
नहीं हर चीज लगा दिया क्या आपने?
हाँ, नहीं अभी तक नहीं किया, सिर्फ हम पूछा था।
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी
अभी।
मैंने आइसोलेटर कुछ ओपन नहीं किया, वो फील्ड में जा रहे थे तो
हाँ
होने से मैं आपको कॉल बैक करता हूँ।
ठीक है। वो पहले वो क्या ये आइसोलेटर खुल गया क्या?
नहीं आइसोलेटर अभी ओपन नहीं हुआ, आप अपने एंड से ओपन कर दीजिए।
ठीक है, हम आप अभी ओपन कर, I'm opening now, हाँ, for board line
हाँ
1, for board 89 for isolators I'm opening now, so after opening then you just inform me.
एक मिनट लाइन पे रहिए, मैं
Okay,
आपको
okay,
एक मिनट एक मिनट।
okay. Since I told him that the isolators also have to be open, then for us, since we have three numbers of isolators inside our GIS, but our
सर आप अपने एंड से कर दीजिए आइसोलेटर ओपन।
interlock facility has been provided in such a way that for operating this 89, let me zoom first. For operating this 89 CE1 or 89 CE2, the logic has been made in such a way that both 89C and 89A or B have to be in open position, and then for that you have to open this right. Of course both in this case 89A and B and C, all of them have to be in open. 89B is already open. I did a mistake before, I said like or, but it should be an actually. Otherwise if one is still in closed, then how will you
हेलो
operate that?
आगे
All
आगे
right.
सर।
Yes, yes.
सर आप आइसोलेटर ओपन कर दीजिए अपने एंड से।
हाँ अभी I'm opening now, so
हाँ
ओपन हो गया। हाँ असलेतर, असलेतर ओपन हो गया। C1, okay, only this I'll go and just I could have used this also, but it's a little difficult because this is in AIS, air insulated substation, right? So operation of this is a little difficult, so that's why since we're not doing any tests or anything, we just have to ground the line, so it's easier for us to ground this 89C1, right? So that's why I'll be just closing this one. I'll ground the whole line by just closing this 89C1. It will be easier for me in that case as an operator, because you just have to just press the switch and it will uh, be motorized in a closed position, right? So this is how I should do. Now we'll just go outside to operate this because I can do only from the local cabinet control. So I'll just go outside. It's already 89. Open, be open, say open. Okay, it's done. Now I'll just go outside. All right. After some time, this person from PLCC will call me and he will confirm that that switch has been closed. Then only I can close from my end. And this is what we normally do. Otherwise, it could have been the other way around also. It's fine, but this is what we have been doing. Oh, he's calling. Hello. अदब ना?
सर आप लाइन से क्लोज कर सकते हैं सर।
हाँ हम लोग लाइन एस्लेटर
आप स्विच लाइन
स्विच अभी
ऑन
नहीं होगा, अभी नहीं हुआ हम लोग तो, अभी नहीं हुआ। अब हो
हाँ
गया?
कर दीजिए कर दीजिए कर दीजिए सर।
अब पूरा हो गया?
हाँ उधर एंड से कर रहा है, लाइन एस्लेटर ओपन है,
हाँ हाँ
आप क्लोज कर रहा है, आप भी कर सकते हो।
ठीक है ठीक है, अभी हम अभी करूँगा। हाँ
ठीक है
ठीक है
ठीक।
ठीक है। Now after he gives me the confirmation, then only I can close the earth switch. I can close the earth switch now. I'll just go and show you how I operate. So this is our switch line. This is our breaker. So and this is our LCC panel, local control cabinet panel. So whatever things that can be done from here can also be done from SCADA. So, or in other words, you can say that whatever things that you can do or you could do from SCADA can also be done from this panel. And once you know the circuit that's there, page number 33, or that LCC circuit you can read, and everything it's given there, and will show you also how to operate. So like I said, whatever things that can be done from SCADA can also be done from here, but in case of our switch, provision has been provided only from LCC. You cannot operate from SCADA just for safety reason. So I will be, first of all, I want, since I want to close this switch, right? This is 89CE1, right? This is a switch I want to close. I want to ground the line, so I'll close this one. And for closing this, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to just in the local remotes select the switch. or LRS we call. We will keep this first in local, then only you'll be able to operate, right? Like, see, I'm putting this in local. I have put this, and then this normal maintenance will be okay because we are not doing any maintenance of the breaker. The line is in normal. We are not doing anything from our side, I would say. So it has to be normal. It's fine. Now I can operate this, all right? Because since both of our isolators 89A and 89B have been open, then only I can operate this, right? So now I'll be operating this. Hello.
सर ये सेंटर एंड से लाइन अब से क्लोज हो गया है.
एक मिनट, हाँ, एक मिनट रुको. So this is the earth switch, so I'll be closing from this. So let me close. Now it's closing, and then so that sound will come. Once the sound comes, I mean the earth switch is now closed. Okay. So I'll just give the confirmation to them. Hello. हम लोग हो गया, स्विच क्लोज हो गया. हाँ, हो गया, क्लोज हो गया.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
ठीक है, ठीक है. द लाइन इज ग्राउंडेड नाउ.
हाँ.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
ओके.
So this is what the confirmation of this Pongrit person who is sitting in Shillong. All right, so this much only. I think everything is cleared.